where are you visiting?
So I'm visiting to Vijay Industries.
And Smriti, what is the main purpose of visiting Vijay Industries?
Purpose for visiting us to how to start a startup or business or for experiential learning.
Alok, what is the main reason for your visit to Vijay Industry?
We visiting for the educational purpose and how to start a business or enterprises.
हम लोग यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन इंचार्ज हैं, प्रोडक्शन भी देखते हैं, प्लाज्मा भी देखते हैं, पेंट बुक भी देख रहे हैं, सिविल का काम भी देखते हैं.
My name is Arpit, and I've been working in this, as a Sanjay Industry. I'm working as a director. So my background is I've studied. I did my schooling from Indore, and I went for post graduation MIT Noida. I did my BBA from there. For post graduation, I went to Pune, IIPM, and later on, it's been 12 years. I've been working in this manufacturing unit. And I'm the person who's responsible for setting up, CNC's plasma, CNC press brake, CNC lathe machine. I've set up a new conveyorized paint shop we have got, and we have also got assembly lines with us. So we are trying to build up a world-class manufacturing unit over here. And very soon, maybe in 1 or 2 years down the line, we'll have complete automations with us. We'll be doing setting up ERP, as in wherein we'll have computer doing the work, major work for us. And this is where we are trying to take, and we are currently the largest, Central India's largest manufacturing unit, and we are trying to become a major leading player all over India.
We have got cultivator and plow and land labor. The other category is sowing and plantation. So we got seedlings with us, different kind of seedlings we have. This is
They have introduced hands into the farm. Hands क्या करते हैं, वो चलते रहते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे करते रहते हैं. तो क्या करते हैं, फार्म को ना जमीन के ऊपर सख्त लेयर को नरम कर देता है. They put earthworms. Earthworms is a natural mechanism.